A documentary on the national emergency of 1975. So yeah, that's the theme of the movie.
Okay, what challenges do you face while making your movie?
That we were talking about a time where when we were not even born, we were born 10 years later, and emergency per se, there is nothing, no film, no written materials on it. So it was almost like digging up to a past that has always almost been like shown as it did not exist. And except for Anand Patwardhan's Prisoners of Conscience, there's hardly a movie on emergency. And in features, if you talk about Hazaro Khwaishein Aisi, they just resonate some things about emergency. And books also, there are hardly any books that talk about emergency. So we thought that it is high time that we talk about a history, a more contemporary history that is also affecting us directly even now. So that was the reason that we went ahead and did this film. It was challenging in a way because, as I said, most of the people we thought we'll talk to, we realized were no more there. They were they're long dead. So only few people we could talk to who had lived through that time, and yeah, it was a very enriching experience.
Can digital technology take the charm out of cinema?
No, I don't think so, because even digital technology, it does make everybody a fast, gives everybody a power to make a film, but everybody doesn't become a filmmaker. So even if this is not death of cinema. This is a challenge to cinema, and will just make it come up more alive, give more competition to cinema per se. And even digital media needs to live up to a certain expectation, a certain benchmark that general cinema, traditional cinema has generated. So or else it will also die. So as I said before, it is like when sound was introduced, that was considered to be, probably, still cinema. When color were introduced, the same kind of debate came. So now when internet introduced and new media is introduced, we are having the same question, but I do not think cinema will ever die. Yes, it is giving new ways out of theatrical releases, but that is merely what it is doing.
Okay, do you what changes? क्या changes आप देखते हो कि past से अभी तक Indian cinema में हुए? What changes do you think?
चेंजेस इन द रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ कि यही है कि हम आजकल बहुत नए फिल्म मेकर्स आ रहे हैं, और हम जैसे नए फिल्म मेकर्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स के पीछे नहीं भागना पड़ रहा है. ये न्यू मीडिया जो है, इट इज़ गिविंग अस एन एवेन्यू कि हम अपने आप ही अपनी पिक्चर बनाएं, अपने आप ही उसको अपलोड करें, अपने आप ही उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करें, अपने आप ही उससे पैसे कमाएं. सो ये एक फ़ायदा हो रहा है डिजिटल न्यू मीडिया का, बट फिर भी वो हमारे लिए एक स्टेपिंग स्टोन ही है. So we are treating this as a stepping stone, waiting, cross finger that कोई हमारी फिल्म देखे in new media पे, and then we still make it big, and the making big is still cinemas, is still theatrical releases. So that traditional thing is still there. लेकिन traditional चीज़ें जब limit करने लगती हैं, तो हर वक्त एक नया तरीका निकल के आता है, and this time it is the new media.
International Film Festival इतना बड़ा platform है, and they are screening your movie. So share your experience. How are you feeling that International Film Festival?
I am elated, of course, and I need to thank my college, Jamia Millia Islamia, MA Mass Communication Department, my teachers, Sabina Gadihok and Shohini Ghosh, and Samina Mishra, without whom and whose assistance we would not have been here, and Professor B. Divakar. So, it is a great moment, and especially Jamia has been invited for the first time. So it's the first time that our college is here, although it is a premier college, and it has been there for so many years now. So it is, and I am privileged to be a part of it, and it feels nice when people are seeing you as a budding filmmakers, and you said that you're the next generation next. So yeah, it feels nice.
Your experience at International Film Festival?
It's all very new to me. So and all of a sudden you are into this world, and I've just passed out. So and all of a sudden you're into this world, having your own movie, able to showcase it in front of the platform itself is so huge and so humongous, and filmmakers are so big, and you feel okay, you're just a small tiny bit in it, but you get equal response and equal people coming and talking to you. So what does a filmmaker need? An audience, and what better than an intelligent audience? So
कोई मैसेज आप अपने अपकमिंग budding filmmakers के लिए देना चाहेंगे?
The message that I would like to give is that if you have it in you, and if you think that, I think no matter what media you use, no matter what form you use, the most important thing according to me is the story. And if you are able to get across that and you are able to touch hearts with your story, you can do it. So it doesn't matter you make a film on a film or you make a film on a video or digital medium. It is but essentially what you want to tell to your audience. So that is more important. The more the refreshing, the better it is.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
All
so
the
much.
best for your movie.
Actually, my movie titled Rajni is